What the judge said next left the entire courtroom in silence. The Supreme Court rules that Indian Railways is a consumer under the Electricity Act, not exempt from surcharges. Indian Railways is a consumer under the Electricity Act. The court ruled that the mere authority to maintain distribution installations does not translate into the functional role of a distribution licensee. The activities under Section 11 of the Railways Act do not constitute distribution. The appellant cannot escape this conclusion by inverting the argument and contending that as a deemed distribution licensee, it is free from any payment obligations applicable to any consumer. In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court has affirmed that Indian Railways is liable for cross-subsidy surcharge, CSS, and additional surcharge when procuring electricity through open access for its own consumption. The court held that the mere authority to maintain distribution installations under the Railways Act does not translate into the functional role of a distribution licensee under the Electricity Act, 2003. The court framed four primary issues, determining that the activities under Section 11 of the Railways Act do not constitute distribution, as the internal network merely conveys power for the railway's own consumption. While acknowledging that Railways operates as a functionary of the central government, the court held this status does not exempt it from surcharges because it is functionally a consumer under Section 2(15) of the Electricity Act. Senior Advocate M.G. Ramchandran appeared for the appellant and Senior Advocates C.A. Sundaram, Vaidyanathan, Maninder Singh, S. Bhuvia, and Parag Tripathi appeared for the respondents. Was this verdict fair or did the judge go too far? Tell us in the comments yes or no. Here's what this means for you. You now have the right to file a complaint with the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission, CERC, if you face surcharge issues. Save this video for future reference. Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.